Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix overheating issue on your iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max and how we can fix this up. So let's get started. So one of the main reason why you're having overheating issue might be your brightness. So if you go over here, you can see if this has been set into auto brightness, there is an issue. So let's get into step one by one. So the first one, tap over here in the settings. Now from here you have to go to the accessibility. Now from here you have to go to display and text size. And if you scroll down over here at the bottom, you can see for me I have already set the auto brightness to turn it off. So if the auto brightness is turned on, you have to turn this off. That is what you have to do as the first and foremost step. Now we just need to go back afterwards. Now we need to make few changes in the display and brightness. Go over here, tap on the display and brightness. So one of the main reason why you're having overheating issue is the brightness. So if the brightness has been set into maximum, that means it has been used up, so you'll be having overheating. So if you're going outside, keep a practice all the time down the road. If you're going outside, you can keep this on maximum, or if it within the inside, you can always try keep this particular slider to the mid rate over here like this. That is very important. So if you make it lower like this, you'll not be able to see anything. So always try to keep it in the mid rate. And even if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there is an option called auto lock. That is also one of the main culprit here. So you have to tap on the auto lock. Now this has been set into 5 minutes. So what you need to do is change the duration to the lower time. So either you can keep this on 30 seconds or 1 minute. But what I'm saying is you can keep this on the lower time. That means 30 seconds. Now I just need to go back. Now go back once again. Another one of the reason is the background app refresh. So to fix this, you have to tap over here the general, and you have to scroll down a little bit and tap on the background app refresh, and you have to tap over here, and you can see this has been set into either to the Wi-Fi. So change this to turn it off, which means we are completely turning off the background app refresh. So these are the steps you can try when you're having an issue with overheating. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.